On the rooftop, the family prepares for a night under the stars. As the warm glow of string lights begins to paint the evening, Abu adjusts the fan, his movements precise, ensuring a gentle breeze dances through the air. Mirha's eyes sparkle with joy as she anticipates the night's adventures, her laughter echoing in the twilight. Hussein's diligent hands untangle the lights, weaving a tapestry of illumination that promises a magical evening. Under a canopy of twinkling stars, Abu's voice fills the night with tales of childhood, painting vivid pictures of days gone by. Mirha listens, wide-eyed, hanging on every word, as Abu weaves his nostalgic narrative. Hussein chimes in with laughter and questions, drawn into the warm circle of shared reminiscence. The rooftop becomes a sanctuary of familial warmth, as stories and laughter mingle under the vast night sky. United by the threads of memory, the family finds solace and joy in the simple act of storytelling. Under the cloak of a late night, a family gathers on a rooftop, their figures mere shadows against the vast starlit expanse. Ami's hand dances across the heavens, connecting stars with tales spun through generations. The night whispers secrets of jasmine, as Ami's voice fills the air with a heartfelt wish. Allah kare ye pal hamesha hamare sath rahe. In a fleeting moment, technology pierces the darkness, as Abu captures a family selfie, their faces bathed in the phone's radiant glow. The screen illuminates their faces, etching this moment into memory, a testament to love and unity under the silent stars.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.